In JUnit, it has a handy option of timeout. If a test case takes more time than the specified number of milliseconds, then JUnit will automatically mark it as failed. Let's look at the example here. First, I define a method which is called test timeout. And I mark this method as a test case. And here, I can use the timeout and give it a value of 1000 milliseconds. And here, I just, for example, in order to test the timeout, I define an endless loop right here, which means that this method will definitely take more than 1000 milliseconds. So if I try to run this program, and you can see a timeout exception is thrown here.